What about Croup? You hear, you take your kids to the pediatrician and they come up with this very scary diagnosis, which sounds very scary, like Croup. What is Croup?
Croup is another kind of a viral illness. It's caused by a virus called parainfluenza, which is different than the other influenza. But it affects the upper airway, can affect the larynx, the vocal cord, basically. And if you've ever had a kid who've had that, it's a very distinct sound that you'll probably never forget. But they have a hoarse voice and they sound like they're barking, like a dog barking or a seal barking.
Right.
And sometimes they can make sounds when they're breathing. They can have difficulty breathing when they're breathing. That's called stridor. So basically it's similar to a cold. They get cold symptoms, but they also get some inflammation around the vocal cord and some swelling there. And that's why they make that sound.
Did it bring up anything, any phlegm or anything like that?
No, not necessarily. It's mostly in the upper airway, not in the lower airway.
Okay.
So sometimes in bad cases, we treat it with steroids. And in really bad cases, like if you were to go to a hospital or ER, then sometimes they use certain kinds of breathing treatments for that to help relieve their inflammation. But most cases are, self-limited and mild. It's a common illness we see in kids, like preschool age kids, common in daycares and things like that. So we see that a lot in the wintertime and in fall too.
Okay.